Hi, welcome to Thermofax Thursday, and I'm Liz Kettle, and today we are going to work with foiling using your Thermofax screen. It's so super cool. So when you're foiling, you can use two different types of adhesive. You can use foil transfer adhesive for textiles, and I'll have a link in below where you can purchase that. And it's important if you're working on textiles that will be washed like garments, you really want to use this one because it will stay more flexible over time, over multiple washings. I generally use regular gel. It doesn't really matter if it's semi-gloss, gloss, matte, whatever, but just a regular gel. You can also use soft gel. That works as well. And so let's get started. We're just going to put it at the top. I like the texture of regular gel. It's kind of, I don't know, like thick cream. So I've just got that there. Again, as usual, hold it at the top. I'm going to hold it a little bit below the actual top because my fabric is smaller than my screen here. And pull it down. And with this one, with the gel, since it's a little bit thicker, you have to use a little bit more pressure. All right, put that back in there and pull it up. You can barely see it's a little bit white where the gel went through. Now the hard part, we have to let it dry and then we'll take it to the iron. All right, here we are with our gel medium on the fabric, and it's completely dry. I actually let it dry overnight. Mostly when I'm working, I'm in Colorado, so it doesn't have to dry completely overnight. Just a couple hours is usually fine. And these are what the foils look like. And I'll have in the blog post below some different places where you can get the foils. They're just beautiful. Now, one thing that the most common mistake with foils is we want to put the shiny side down, but that is incorrect. You want to put the shiny side up because you're pulling the foil off of this carrier sheet that it's on, which will make more sense in a moment. So I've got my iron. You want it on set on no steam, just a dry hot iron, and you're going to use a combination of pressure and the heat to transfer. So I usually use the side of the iron to apply some pressure. Instead, you don't want to just put the iron down flat and iron. So, and I can definitely see the pattern coming up. Don't know if you can. Take a little peek. Decided to use the pink on this one because I thought it might be really interesting. All right, you can see the little circles under there. So let's see how it transfers. Look at that. Very cool, pink on pink circles. And I did another one which is gold on pink, so that you can see the difference. I could have used turquoise. This one's, oh my gosh, so super cool. So foiling, it's really fun. I hope you guys try it.